Hello everyone and welcome to .NET Core Central. In today's video I am going to show you how to create a repository in Elastic Container Registry and then how to upload a Docker image into the registry. So for that, first I am going to go and select Elastic Container Registry. You can select it from here because I already accessed it, or we can go and search for ECR, and once we search for ECR we can select Elastic Container Registry here. Once we do that, we can go and click on the repositories, and then here we can create a new repository, and I'm going to name it as test repo, and I'm going to keep all the other attributes as default and create repository, and the repository is created, and this is the URI of the repository. Now next thing what I'm going to do is, I have this project test microservice created. This is a simple project, the default .NET 5 project. I'm going to create an image out of this, and for creating the image I'm going to use docker build command, docker build, and here I'll say test microservice. That's the name of the image, and this is going to create a Docker image, and the Docker image is created. After the Docker image is created, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to tag this image. So I'll say docker tag test microservice, and I'm going to paste the URL of the repository which I copied from ECR, which is the account number tkr ecr usec2 amazon aws.com / the repo name, which is test repo. Now this has created a tag. Now at this point the image is still local. Next thing I have to do is, to be able to use docker push command into the repo, what I have to do is I have to first get the login password, and for that there is a AWS command, and I am going to use AWS CLI for that. I have already installed the AWS CLI and I have mentioned it in a couple of my videos, and I'm going to use the AWS CLI command ECR, and the command is get login password, and for the region, my region is US East 2, and then for profile, my profile is personal, and then docker login, and the username for that always is AWS, and password standard in, and then I'm going to paste just the base repo URL, and as you can see the login is successful. Now I'm going to docker push, and I'm going to provide the repo URL here and run this, and as you can see it is using the default tag, which is latest, which is the tag I created. I have not given any name, just picking up the latest tag, and now it is pushing the image up to ECR. Once it is done, we can go there and we can see that the image has been pushed, and as you can see the latest image is pushed now. If I go back to ECR now, and if I go to my repo and refresh it, I can see the latest image that I created there is now being uploaded into ECR. Uploading images to ECR is predecessor for using this image in an ECS cluster. I'm going to discuss about ECS cluster in my next video. So this is how you can upload an image from a local PC or build server into ECR. This is all I wanted to cover for today's video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel and if you think you are getting value out of my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and thanks so much for watching this video.